everyone, this is me Absar, a student of BS International Relations, 6th semester, Federal Urdu University, Karachi. Today my topic is plantation and what is the role of United Nations and global plantation. I'm going toward introduction. The United Nations plays a crucial role in plantation. Here are some key activities of the United Nations in promoting sustainable plantation worldwide. These standards aims to responsible and environmentally friendly practices in areas such as agriculture, foresting and land management. So first of all, the first one is collaboration and coordination. The United Nations facilitate collaboration and coordination among the member states. The second one is they're encouraging cooperation in sustainable plantation initiatives. It provides a platform to share knowledge, expertise and best practices, foresting of collective approach towards addressing challenges and achieving sustainable plantation goals. The second one is capacity building. The United Nations promotes and supports capacity building efforts and developing countries, helping them enhance their skills, knowledge and resources for sustainable plantation management. This includes technical assistance, training programs, as well as knowledge sharing platform, and that enable countries to implement effective plantation strategies and policies. Now I am going toward conclusion. Overall, the United Nations function as a global educate, facilitator and supporter of sustainable plantation practices. Its role is vital in promoting environmentally responsible plantation management, conserving biodiversity, mitigating climate change, as well as ensuring the well-being of both the people and the plant. Thank you for watching.